Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character míng step by step. I will write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write. 名 Name Place among winners. (排名 Ranking To be placed. Here is a sentence. How did I come up with these rankings? How do they come up with these rankings? These rankings. 他们的排名是怎么做出来的？他们的排名是怎么做出来的？How do they come up with these rankings? 排名 ranking 是怎么做出来的？How do they come up with these rankings? 他们的排名是怎么做出来的？名 in cursive. 名 name place among winners 排名 ranking to be placed. How do they come up with these rankings? 他们的排名是怎么做出来的？名 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 名. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share these videos. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.